So for today's discussion, we are going to be presenting about raising awareness for getting vaccinated. So in this presentation, we will first present the definition of vaccine, which will be discussed by Mr. Florentino.
Vaccination is a simple, safe, and effective way of protecting you against harmful diseases. Before you come into contact with them, it is use your body's natural defenses to build resistance to specific infections and make your immune system stronger. So moving on.
The discovery of vaccines started during the 1500s with the early practice of formulation in the Western world in 1700s. The first vaccine was introduced by the British physician Edward Jenner. In the middle of the 20th century was an active time for vaccine research and development. Methods for growing viruses in the laboratory led to rapid discoveries and innovation, including the creation of vaccine portfolio. Researchers targeted other childhood diseases such as measles, mumps, and rubella. Vaccines for these diseases reduced the disease burden greatly. Moving on.
So the early effects after getting vaccinated are soreness or redness around the injection site, mild fever, tiredness, headache, and muscle or joint aches, but it still depends on person's immunity. So moving forward.
So early research from the UK suggests that after full vaccination, the Pfizer BioNTech COVID-19 is 95% effective at preventing severe diseases and symptoms with the COVID-19 virus caused by the Delta variant. Now, with these mentioned parameters, we can infer that vaccines are the only way, or rather the best defense against variants. But the widespread fear that vaccines could actually increase the risk of autism, which however no studies found a link between any vaccine and the likelihood of developing autism. Secondly, natural immunity is better than vaccine-acquired immunity. Well, in some cases, natural immunity results in a stronger immunity than vaccination, but the dangers of this approach far outweighs the relative benefits, which means that by contracting the disease, you would face a 1 in 500 chance of death from your symptoms. So in conclusion, vaccination is important because it trains our immune system to combat foreign pathogens. As a result, it reduces the risk of getting diseases by building a natural defense for protection. So for more information, these are the references which you can infer.